YouTube channel that you got to check out, and that is Tamara's Bargains. Now,
Tomorrow's Bargains, and I love that you're doing the 5K subscriber giveaway.
Y'all tap in with her, cuz. Tamara's Bargains on Wood.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a huge Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I hope everybody is doing well for this Tuesday morning. Happy Tuesday to everybody, whether it's Tuesday morning, afternoon, or evening. Thank you for taking the time out and viewing my video today. I hope that you like this video and consider subscribing and joining my bargain family over here by hitting the red wording that says subscribe, and right next to it is a post notification bell to let you know when I upload my future videos. So if you're interested in that, please do that. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel out and building and growing, and I appreciate it so much. So let's jump right into this Dollar Tree haul. I have a lot of fun finds that I found. Again, like I said, some items that are new to me, so let's jump right into it. So one of the items I wanted to share with you guys is my Dollar Tree is now becoming a Dollar Plus store. So this is one of the items. We did open it the night I went out to Dollar Tree. This was my cheat week. I said my cheat week. My cheat dinner for when I went out that night to go Dollar Tree shopping. And I was like, what? Dollar Tree carries Red Baron pizzas now, and they carry DiGiorno's and some other pizza products. They also carry fish sticks and shrimp, and their price points now are $3, $4, and $5. So these are actually a little bit cheaper if you are also a Family Dollar shopper. They are sister companies. So normally a Red Baron pizza at Family Dollar will run $6.75, I want to say, because I buy them kind of a lot over there. But Dollar Tree's got them for $4 and $5. So grab this. This was the Red Baron meat trio pizza. We love meat in this house, so it's always a supreme pizza or a meat lovers pizza, and sometimes like the Hawaiian pizzas. So that's what it looks like. I was so shocked, and I was like, yes, I don't have to run to a Walmart or Target or a grocery store to grab dinner. I was able just to grab a quick meal for my family because I stayed out at Dollar Tree a little too long. So yeah. Then they had these cool things. These are the ice slushies, and these are cherry frost. I actually grabbed 6 of these, and my kiddos tried theirs. They said it's pretty good, but they're hoping we come across more flavors. My Dollar Tree only had these ones, and they actually enjoyed them. So it contains no fruit juice, and it's 130 calories for a 6-ounce drink package. So I seen a couple of people hauling these, and they looked really good. So that's actually got to go back in the freezer. Then I came across, might as well go across the food finds real quick for you guys. Some Drizzlicious mini rice cake birthday cake bites. These are 90 calories per 21 pieces. So, and this is a 1.5 ounce bag. I actually hauled and tried the caramel drizzle ones. Oh my goodness, they are the bomb. And this is 160 calories with 31 grams of carbohydrates. So yeah, that's what this is looking like. If the caramel ones were pretty good, I have high hopes that the birthday cake one is gonna be pretty good as well. Then I came across these Hasbro fruit salad. I thought these were kind of interesting. They are 4 ounces for $1.25. Now, if you go to Family Dollar, their candy bags are same size, same everything, and they only run for $1. Oh my goodness, my dog, he's tripping. So got those. They kind of reminded me of the Sun Kiss candies, I think they're called. But they kind of got like the same flavor, same like look and everything. I used to love those, so I hope those are gonna be pretty good. Hold on. Sorry about that. They hear me up, my fur babies hear me up, and this is usually the time I feed them, get their treats out, but they're gonna wait till I'm done with my video. So So some more finds that I found. Now these are some like home decorative ideas or items that I found that I thought were really cute. These were in like the Mother's Day section that they had at my store. So they had this cute one with a lighter pink flower that says love. And I think that's so cute. And then the gray one that says home with a little bit of a darker pink. And that's what that looks like. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. They're just too cute. You could always take this off, change the colors, you know, spray paint it, whatever color, but very cute. Thought it was really cute for Mother's Day as well. How was everybody's Mother's Day? Let me know down in the comments below. What did you do? Did you celebrate it? How was it? What did you do? I said that twice already, but yeah. We actually went out this weekend. We went to play miniature golfing, and then we went bowling the following day, and it was really fun. We had a blast. We, you know, just had family week pretty much and celebrated that way. All right, so some more items. Speaking of Mother's Day, I wanted to share this with you guys. I'm gonna put up another little short video too. This one says, they had like really beautiful Mother's Day cards at Dollartree. So with Father's Day coming up, I just wanted you guys to be aware what they have, their styles, and price points on them are amazing compared to if you go to Walmart, Target, even if you go to Hallmark stores. I mean, they tend to be very expensive. For a beautiful card like this, you would think that this one would have ranged at least a $2.99, $3.99 price point, maybe possibly $5.99. But this one is so pretty. I end up grabbing two of this kind. I wish I would have grabbed two of the other ones that we sent off, but I had one left, so I wanted to haul it and share it with you guys. This one says for a special grandma with a beautiful butterfly. And then you open it up, and then it just says, I couldn't ask for a more wonderful grandma, and just really pretty. And it comes with the card. I like cards that are wrapped up, so they're a little protected before you use them or send them off. Okay, with graduation coming, like congratulations to all the graduates that are graduating for 2022. That is amazing. You're accomplishing big things already by just graduating, whatever grade that you are in. So congratulations. So parents, teachers, guardians, whatever have it, check out your Dollartree. Dollartree's graduation stuff is bussin', like straight up. I love it. Look at how cool this is. This one says way to go graduate, or way to go grad. And look at, I love the colors. I love how bright it is. It gives it that like comet vibe to it. So that's why I love. They had two different styles at my Dollartree. The other one had like the squirrel and the tassel with the graduation hat, and it said grad. So I picked this one up because it's fun. I actually have 3 graduating this year. It's all of them except for my high schooler. So he still has 2 more years of high school. He's going into his junior year. And then I have my 8th grader graduating, my 5th grader, and then my kindergartner. So why not celebrate, you know? And, you know, we're getting out of the whole homeschooling thing. So, you know, why not just do a big celebration and then, you know, go from there. So then also some more graduation ideas and finds was this cool beach ball. This one says 2022, congrats grad. It's a 20-inch inflatable ball. So that's what that looks like. Grabbed one of these. We're gonna just, I guess, just have fun and just chill, maybe order some pizza, do a cake for the 3 of them, and then prepare them to go back to regular school. Mind you, my kids have been out for 2.5 years now doing homeschooling, so it's time. It's time to clip the wing, or spread, I said clip. Clip means they're gonna stay. Spread their wings and fly. You know, not too far, come back home, but yeah. So came across this. These are really cute. They had these last year as well. This is an inflatable decoration. This is a 37.25 inch, and it says congrats. They had this in silver and gold. They also had another one that says grad. This one says congrats. The other one says grad, and same colors, silver and gold. So, you know, if you have a graduation coming, pick these up. There's some fun finds there, and they have a lot more. So I don't know how far or how much we're gonna like go, but I might pick up some more items. But then I came across these, which I thought was really cool. These are great for birthday parties, baby showers, wedding showers, anything like that, graduation parties, you know. This one says 4-yard balloon sticks, and these are 3 feet. So I picked up these before. They work out really well. They're very sturdy. You can even use these sticks for DIY. So, I mean, really cool. And then you just hang them up and they make these tall balloons. So I was thinking about using these as well. So then I came across, oh, I forgot there was another food find. Okay, then I came across this. This is the Crafter Square wooden frame with a 10 board. I thought this was so cool that they're bringing stuff out like this with that unique type of style. You could do all kinds of DIYs with this. You could put a monogram initial of your first or last name, whatever. You could use it as your command center. You could, I mean, so many endless ideas. Maybe put like a cute tin little flower pot, like glue it onto here, put some flowers. I mean, just something different, thinking outside that box, you know. But yeah, I came across one of these. I just couldn't pass it up. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it just yet, but the fact that it is cute, I do have a command center, it might go there, but I don't know. I just thought it was really cool, and I've seen a lot of people hauling these, and everybody had great ideas. But I mean, I love the fact that Dollar Tree crafting center is just coming so like, it's like a wide range now. You can find everything for $1.25 almost there. So another item, the food item that I did forget to mention or didn't see behind all these other items is Quaker instant oatmeal. This is chocolate flavor. This is you get a 4-pack of a 1.2 ounce, 130 calories, 7 grams of sugar, 24 grams whole grain per serving, no artificial preservatives or flavors. So I came across this, normally, I don't know. I mean, 4-pack is not bad. It is Quaker Oats. It is a name brand. I'm definitely gonna try it out, give you guys a review to let you know how it goes. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good. You only get 4. It's an okay bang for your buck. I mean, if it's just you, 4 packs of oatmeal is pretty good, but I think it's not just me who's gonna like it. I think it's my kids are gonna like it too, which I should have grabbed 2 boxes, but it's okay. I mean, we picked up 1 to try it. Then I came across, I have 4 more items and we will end this haul. 4 or 5, no, 5 more items. Okay, the Shimmer and Shine hair detangler in 8-ounce bottle. I got this for my girls because their hair is very curly and they need detangling spray when they get their hair brushed. So came across this. They normally always have this at Dollar Tree. Okay, the last 4 items. I came across t-shirts. I love grabbing t-shirts at Dollar Tree. They, especially when it's name brand and it's a good brand like Gildan. So that's what I came across, and I got 2 of this style or this color. This one is a extra small, so I grabbed 1 for my daughter in case she wants to wear one, just to wear around the house, lounging or whatever. If we're just kickbacking, you know, grab big oversized t-shirts. I love wearing oversized t-shirts. And then grabbed this one. It's an extra large. Again, I could be wearing this for bed or just around the house. I like to wear like yoga pants with a big t-shirt because a lot of times I'm just working and cleaning or doing mommy duties, whatever it is, mommy wifey duties. So just to relax, throw my hair up, put on a big t-shirt with some like yoga pants. Hey, there you go. You know, throw on the Vans and you're good for that day. Then I came across this green one. I got this one for my husband, just same thing, undershirt, whatever. This one is a large and it's got like this pretty like green color. Again, Gildan. And then they had like some neon ones. They also had the ones that are, how do you say, like the collar, they got the button down. They had those, which I love the fact that Dollar Tree are carrying those, but they didn't have our size. So I just left those ones alone, but they will be in my come with me. And then I grabbed this one for my older son. This one is a small men's extra small men's. It might be one of my sons will fit it. But yeah, came across those. But that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys have a beautiful and wonderful day and week. I will see you guys Saturday. I have another amazing Dollar Tree haul that I'm looking forward to sharing with you guys. A lot of fun finds. So I hope again that you have a blessed and awesome day and week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. See you soon.